Good morning, my dear children. Now today we are back again to study our lesson 14 and 15, good manners and daily routine. After these chapters, our second semester portion is over today. Okay? Before starting the lesson, I want to discuss very small few points only to just tell you how to wear mask, how to use it. Due to this pandemic spreading of coronavirus, all over the country we are suffering a lot. So that is why do the 5. So I'll give you some instruction. You also follow, children. Okay? Firstly, we have to stay back at home. Don't roam without any urgent work. Don't go anywhere. We have to stay home as much as you can. Keep a safe distance. When we talk to anyone, we have to wear mask always. When we are sitting with anyone, we have to keep distance of 6 feet at least. Cover your cough, sneeze, anything. Whenever you cough, you cover it. So now I am going to tell you how to wear mask. Okay? First of all, practice social distancing. Wash your hands frequently. Pick up the mask with this loop. Don't touch these portions of the mask. Always when you are going to wear it with this loop in this way. Okay? And when you remove also, you remove it in this way. Pick it up and just keep it down. After touching this loop, you have to wash your hands. Either sanitize it. Sanitize your mask also. Don't touch it. And after touching the mask, never touch your nose, eyes, face side, mouth, anything, nothing. After washing your hands, then only you touch your face. Okay? And how to wash hands? You all know. We have to wash it in this way. So these are the precautions, children. You all have to follow. And if you follow these things, you will never get sick and stay safe. Now, these are all the things about COVID-19. Now we are going to study our chapter, lesson 14, health and manners, good manners. First we will read this lesson, then I'll explain it. Okay? Being polite and courteous towards others is called good manners. Children learn good manners at home and at school. We are in a classroom. The teacher has taught the students about good manners. Now she is asking them some questions. Read and practice with me. Okay? I will read. You also read with me. Page number 29 in your book. Open your book and sit. Teacher, do you respect your elders? Yes, I respect my elders. I always respect my parents, teachers, elders and all. How do you greet your elders in the morning? I greet my elders by saying good morning. When you come to school and you meet your teacher, always you say good morning. How should you speak to others? We should speak very gently and politely to others. What do you say when you receive something from others? I say thank you. What do you say when you do something wrong? I say sorry. What do you say when you want to make a request? I say please. What do you say when someone is going for a long journey? I say I wish happy journey. How do you greet your father in the morning? I say good morning, Papa. In the afternoon, I say good afternoon. In the evening, we say good evening. And in the night, we say good night before going to bed. So, we read once again this. Before reading, we should always respect our elders. First of all, we should speak gently, politely to others. When we greet elders, we should always wish them. When you receive something from others, you should say thank you. When you do something wrong, you should say sorry. When you want to make a request, say please. When someone is going for a long journey, we should say happy journey. What do you say in the morning? In the morning, we say good morning. What do you say in the afternoon? We say good afternoon. What do you say in the evening? We say good evening. What do you say before going to bed at night? We say good night. And if you receive any gift from anyone, what do you say? We always say thank you. When you do something wrong, what do you say? We say sorry. When you want to make a request to get anything from anyone or you want anything, what do you say? You will say please. Please. And if anybody is going anywhere, going for a long journey out of station, what do you say? We should always say, we should wish happy journey. So, these are the keys. Some good manners, some keys are here. You have to follow in your life to give respect to your elders, to your friends also, and to all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, thank you, sorry, please, and happy journey. So we have to practice it in our daily life. These are the good manners. Okay? Now, after this chapter, I will explain you the next chapter, chapter 15, daily routine. The series of activities done on a regular basis is called a daily routine. The things we are doing every day in our life, that is called daily routine. Form pairs of students to perform the activity given below. One student from each pair will ask the question and the other student will answer them. Page number 31. Open in your book. When you get up in the morning, when do you get up in the morning? I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Do you exercise in the morning? Yes, I do exercise in the morning. Do you brush your teeth and bath daily? Yes. After leaving the bed, first of all, we go to brush our teeth and take bath. At what time do you have your breakfast? I have my breakfast at 7:30 a.m. At what time do you go to school? I go to school at 8 a.m. At what time do you reach school? I reach school at 8:30. Do you study well in school? Yes, I study well in school. At what time do you come back from school? I come back from school at 1 p.m. Do you go out to play with your friends? Yes, I go out to play with my friends. What games do you like to play? I like to play cricket, badminton, football, many games, outdoor also and indoor also. For how long do you play? I play for about an hour. 1 hour. About an hour. When do you study? I study in the evening. At what time do you have your dinner? I have my dinner at 8 p.m. Do you also drink milk at night? Yes, I drink milk before I go to bed. Some children are drinking milk twice a day. In the morning, breakfast time, and in the night before going to bed. When do you go to bed? I go to bed at 9 p.m. So children, these are some daily routine we follow always. Firstly, after leaving the bed, we go to brush our teeth, take bath, as I read for you this chapter, we brush our teeth, we go to take bath also, comb hair, wear neat and clean dress, go to school, take breakfast, okay. So these are the daily routine we follow every day. After coming back from school, we go to play with our friends in the park. We play indoor games also and outdoor games also. Indoor games and outdoor games. And for how long do you play? We play for an hour. When do you study? I study in the evening. I do my all the tasks whatever the teachers have given to me. At what time do you have your dinner? I take my dinner at 8 p.m. Do you also drink milk at night? Yes, I drink milk at night before I go to bed. When do you go to bed? I go to bed at 9 a.m. and I get up early at 6 a.m. in the morning. 6 o'clock in the morning. So, some of the points we will again revise about the lesson 14, good manners. Okay. What are the rules we have to follow for these? These are the good manners keys for you. Always respect your elders. Never misbehave with your parents, elders, your teachers, and with your friends also. When you give respect, you get it back. How do you greet your elders in the morning? Always we wish good morning to our elders. How should you speak to others? We should always speak politely and gently. We use kind words. Okay? What do you say when you receive something from anyone? From others? You say thank you. When you get something, you will always say thank you. What do you say when you do something wrong? I say sorry. What do you say when you make a request to anyone? I say please. What do you say when someone is going for a long journey? We always wish happy journey. Okay? How do you greet your father in the morning? I wish good morning, Papa. How do you greet your father in the afternoon? I wish good afternoon, Papa. How do you greet your father in the evening? I wish my Papa good evening, Papa. How do you greet your father before going to bed? At night, I say good night, Papa. So these are the key words. Always, whenever you are wishing, you have to wish good morning in the morning time, good afternoon in the afternoon, good evening in the evening, and good night at night before going to bed. When you do any mistakes, you have to say sorry. If you want something from someone, you say, please, give it to me, please. Can I take your pencil? Can I use your eraser? Always use please to ask anything from anyone. So these are the good manners, and this is your daily routine. Many things are coming in this daily routine. Always we wear ironed clothes. Always we polish our shoes. Always we wear neat and clean socks. Many things are there. We are combing our hair. Girls making ponies, putting ribbons and pins. Okay? Boys always comb their hair and go for haircut also. So we brush our teeth, take bath, comb hair, wear neat and clean dress, take our breakfast, and we go to school. And after reaching school, we wish to our teachers. So both the lessons are connected. You can see when you go to school, always you wish your teachers good morning ma'am, good morning sir. Okay? So both the lessons are same. Daily routine also you have to follow, and these good manners also you have to follow in your life. So children, we have completed our second semester chapters today. My pet dog, from here we have started, from lesson 8. My pet dog, animals and their young ones, my house, the garden, my school, staying healthy, good manners and daily routine. Okay? So today our conversation portion is over of second semester. From next period, in my conversation period, I will take the class of English grammar, because from that day we are going to start our revision work. Okay? from 9th of November. So our conversation class is over today. We have finished both the chapters till 15. First semester also we have finished, and we have finished second semester also. Okay. Now bye-bye. We will meet next session on 9th November. We will start in our conversation period our revision of English grammar.